Happy Vlogmas Day 7, everybody. I just finished filming a really different video for you guys, and I really like it. And I just drew on this cute little sweater deal. I needed to start preparing for, I don't know why it keeps going out of focus, like hello. I need to really start preparing for some finals coming up, so I'm gonna go change into actually my outfit. I really just need to take this off, to be honest, and throw on something comfy. That's literally been my vibe lately, like just throwing on something comfy, because it's been so cold. The weather dropped. I mean, it's obviously like winter basically, so of course that's gonna happen. But yeah, I'm gonna change into something just really cozy so I can like really get going with my preparing for finals, and really just sit down and go hardcore, because what the heck, this is getting me mad, and really just go hardcore and like every day just, you know, get some productive stuff done. And I hope you guys enjoy my videos that I've been posting. This is really annoying. I know most of it is going to be like either college related and stuff like that, just because I go to school, so not every day is going to be like a crazy exciting video for you guys, but I will be doing my best, and I hope you guys enjoy. I really want to hit 1,000 by January, so I really hope that we can get there together. But let me go change and get into something cozy so I can like really start. I already kind of planned out, as you guys saw in my other video, I think. Did I? I don't know anymore. But I made a little list of what I need to do and like what days my finals are. So I will show you guys that again, just in case it wasn't even in the clip. I honestly don't remember. So let's just get right into this video. And this is not focusing. Look at how cute this reindeer is, by the way. I said it, now you could probably see it. Okay, I couldn't really show it in my sit down video, but it's so cute, and it's like flying over this little village thing. It's really cute. You guys will see a little tour, or like me showing you all the decorations in full once everything is done, so definitely be on the lookout for that. Alright, so I actually did write down a list. I don't know if I showed you, but I'm showing you now. But we can cross some things off. This one's the thing, because I took this yesterday. So done. Yesterday was, what's it called? Wednesday. So I wrote this Tuesday. I don't know if I showed it or not. Whatever. And then Spanish, I took my last quiz, and my final, we had like a take-home final. So I had to just give that in, which is done with. She's actually going to give it back to us tomorrow, which is Friday. So yeah. Hopefully I did really well. And then now this is what I'm going to work on now. I get to do like a little index card cheat sheet. So I have my little index card here. I'm going to just be writing basically like formulas and stuff she's told us we can do. And I just wrote down like the days of my last 4 finals that I have. This one I'll be getting out of the way with, and I'll use my index card plus study. Obviously I can't really study for this comp one. This is basically just a writing class, so we're gonna have a prompt to do. So I really just need to work on math, psychology. We're gonna get study guide. I got my study guide for history, but I'm not good at history, so I'm gonna need to like memorize everything and really study hard. This is actually like the last day of finals, so at least it's like really the last one. But yeah, I changed into this sweater from H&M. It's really cute. And this is literally like a huge clock that we're gonna hang on our wall. So that's what that is. This is just a blanket. I'm gonna now work on my index card a little bit and look back at my notebook from the beginning chapters, obviously, and focus on writing all the formulas. And it's actually gonna be really helpful because basically our final's 2 hours. The first hour we have her last exam for the chapter, and then the second half, like the second hour, is the final exam, which is only 10 questions. So yeah, this will really be useful. So I really need to like put a lot of info on it, as much as I can, write small, and yeah. Alright guys, I wanted to take a little break and get a little snack, and this is so good. It's like, I guess, a little healthier. It's simple ingredients, simply delicious, whatever, non-GMO, gluten-free, just some popcorn. These are also really good. So I'll probably have a little bit of both. And I feel like I never really have snacks, honestly, unless it's something that I like really like. And these are actually really good. And sorry. And I'm really excited because today is Starbucks' happy hour. I don't know if they do it everywhere, or I don't know what days. Like, I just called just to ask because I know it was, I feel like every Thursday, because the last time I went it was a Thursday, and then there was another time that I went and they were like I ordered my drink already. It was like 2 o'clock, and then the girl was telling the worker like, oh, you can go on your break before happy hour starts. And I was like so mad because I had already got my drink and happy hour was gonna start at 3, and basically it's like 50% off or something. Like, one day I went and usually my drink is like $5 and it was only like $2, and I was so confused, but it was happy hour. So, and that day was a Thursday, so I was like, I asked the guy, I was like, oh, like, when is happy hour? Like, what's the schedule? And he was like, I think it's like every other Thursday, and it's from 3 to 6. So I finished class today at like 4. So I'm gonna go to Starbucks after and get something because it's only $2. Like, and the way I think of it is like, I work and I make tips, like some, not a lot of tips. So I feel like that is like my little spending money on food and stuff, which is something that helps me because I'm like, if I go to school and I need like lunch, the way I think of it is like, okay, like this isn't really like my money, like I'm spending, like I earned these tips, like I could use it towards food. And yeah, that's just the way I think of it. But yeah, this popcorn is really good. And I was working on my history, I was starting my history review sheet, and I honestly like hate history, but I just really need to do well on that. I really am striving to get like all A's this semester. We'll see. If you guys are wondering, this is basically what I have to do for my history study guide. It's literally like, he talks about these in his lectures, like each topic. And so I'm like, I already have the notes, but what I do for the study guide is, I don't think he puts every single thing because the list would be really long. But basically I just take the topic, write like from the notes that I took about it, and then search anything on like Google just to like further get more information to like better understand it. And then yeah, so I have to do this for this whole list. So wish me luck because this is a lot. But basically I'm going to be doing this today until I leave for school, which I have to leave in like 2 hours basically. No, it's 12. I have to leave in like an hour. I don't know what I'm saying. I have to leave in an hour. So I'm going to try to get as much done as I can right now. Go on like a little hardcore study session. So if you're wondering how I study for finals for this class, that's how it is. I'm going to probably do like a whole video of like how I really study for finals. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what I do. Just trying to like, you know, help those who are in college because it's stressful and you don't want to be stressed, so you need to like really work hard and you will do it. I'm just like, I want it to be over so it can be Christmas. I'm excited. My hair has been just looking crazy lately. Like, I hate my natural hair. But let me stop rambling and procrastinating and let's get to work. Does anybody else love waffles? Like, I love eating waffles. This is just what I'm gonna have for lunch today before I go to school. The last two. Let me just tell you guys how today was a complete waste of my time, complete waste of a day. Like, I literally, kid you not, I could have been home doing work more productive than today was. Basically, I had math, and all she did was give us back our exams that she already posted, and then we were gonna like review for our final, but like nobody had questions because we're getting to use a cheat sheet, and like we already asked everything before. And yeah, so literally she was like, oh, I should have like took off today. Like, are you kidding me? We finished class in 20 minutes and then I had to wait an hour for my next class, which was writing. And we had to peer review again. We peer reviewed for our essay last week. Basically, she wanted us to do that again. So we sped through that because we already did that. And now I'm leaving. I mean, I guess at least I get to leave early, but I literally just wasted my time by coming to these 2 classes because we did absolutely nothing. So now I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go to Starbucks because it's happy hour. So I'm gonna go do that first. Go home and like relax, see if there's any gifts that I got, and do some more history work, that sort of stuff. Guys, I'm literally so shook right now just because, like, you know how I told you I was gonna go to Starbucks, like happy hour or whatever. So last time I went for happy hour is basically like they took half off of like the price. So I went in, I ordered my caramel brulee and I was like, oh, like, by the way, like, it's happy hour, right? He's like, yeah, so you get buy one get one free. And I was like, what? Like, that's so good. And now thinking back, I should have just got the caramel brulee twice, but like, you know what, I got the salted caramel mocha with almond milk. Both of them have almond milk. How now that I drink almond milk with like all my coffee, anything, I literally only drink almond milk. But I have my brulee here, so I'm gonna drink this one today, like now, like while I do my homework and stuff. And then I'm actually gonna just save this one for tomorrow and then just heat it up. My mom said I could do that, so like I'm gonna do that. It's like as if you made coffee at home, and you know, you can use it more than once. I don't know what I'm saying, but the brulee is so good. And I was asking the guy because I was like, I kind of do want to try other drinks, so I think I'm gonna do like maybe with my boyfriend like the where you buy all the holiday drinks and like review them and stuff. I kind of want to do that. I feel like it's fun, and just because like I haven't ever tried any of the other ones except for the salted caramel mocha, so like I don't know, I really was tempted. I asked the guy like, oh, like what's your favorite? He's like, honestly everybody loves a brulee, which is so true. So I was like, you know, I'm just gonna get the salted caramel mocha because I know I like that one. So now I'm gonna head inside and I have like my little containers. I'm so excited. I'm so weird because I'm obsessed with Starbucks. So now I'm just gonna like put everything in my pockets because I'm gonna have to carry that, put my backpack on, and I don't want to spill anything because I'll be really, really freaking sad. So let's get it. I'll see you guys inside. Guys, I don't know what it is, but I feel like sometimes this always happens where like some days like my drink for Starbucks, it takes so long to finish it because it's not like that good. But today for some reason it's so good, like extra good, like I'm literally almost done with it. And I got a grande and I'm literally almost done with it already, and I'm really sad. But I'm happy that tomorrow, like, I'm gonna start my day nice because I have my other drink to just warm up in the morning, bring it to class with me, which I'm gonna vlog again tomorrow for you guys. But right now I'm gonna sit here and edit, and I was gonna do like a little montage of me editing, you know, but I just realized like I need my memory card and I can't like film without it, you know. Sometimes I have those moments where I'm just like, am I dumb? Honestly, I have a lot of those moments and my mom's like, I swear you need to get those blonde streaks out of your hair because you're blonde now. I'm like, whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna edit the video for today, get that uploaded for you guys, and just export all the footage that I have as well for tomorrow because I do work tomorrow. But the difference is like Wednesdays is hard for me, it is hard for me to post from yesterday. Does that make sense? Yesterday I didn't upload for VLOGMAS, as you guys know. I spoke about that in the video. But basically it was hard because I had school till 3:40. I don't get home till like 4 something, and then I go to work at 5, so there's no way I'm getting a video up, you know. And just like I didn't really like the content that it was in it, like I just thought it was boring, blah blah. But tomorrow there's a difference because tomorrow I finish class at 1:50 and then I don't work till 5, so I have plenty of time to upload and edit for you guys. So there will be a video tomorrow, and then it's the weekend vlog. I don't even know what I'm doing, but yeah, I'm just going to now export anything and everything that I need to export for today's little video. It's 5 o'clock. I'm gonna get this done really fast. I'm pretty fast with editing, like I don't know, I really like editing. I just feel like it also just comes natural to me what to say. Like I don't put too much, I don't do things that are boring. I don't know, whatever. So I'm gonna do this and then work on my history a little more before dinner. And then after dinner, I like to shower right after dinner. I don't like to shower before dinner just because I feel like when you wash your face and stuff and then you go to eat, like if you're eating oily foods, I feel like I don't know, I just don't like that. So I'm gonna shower right after and then either get more work done and maybe start editing for tomorrow. Who knows? We'll see what the night is looking like. Or maybe I'll watch like a cute Christmas movie. I really haven't really watched that many, but I love Christmas movies. So comment down below if you love Christmas movies, like especially like the Grinch and like the Christmas from Disney Channel and stuff. And comment down below if you want to see like my Christmas song favorites video, because I love Christmas songs. I'm like such a like festive person, I swear. Like I literally love Christmas and like the holidays. So I'm gonna stop rambling now because I've been talking for so long. But yeah, I'm just gonna edit and chill. Hi guys, alright, it's a little later now, or a lot later. Basically, I was able to edit my video pretty quickly, honestly. And then what did I do? I kind of like just took time to kind of like catch up on some YouTube videos, and I'm still catching up right now. But I did that, and then I like basically ate dinner, showered, and now it's like right now's time. But yeah, I couldn't really like vlog because my memory card was in my computer so that I could like, you know, save and all that fun stuff. So that's why I didn't vlog. But I just showered and I actually filmed like my skincare routine for my morning and night. So you guys will see that shortly, probably tomorrow. So be on the lookout, or probably the next day. I don't know what day. But I'm going to end off this vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this productive day. It was kind of like, I don't know. I feel like it was like a good chill vlog, just me talking to you guys a lot, just getting stuff done, honestly. And I don't know, I felt like it was pretty good. But yeah, I just wanted to end off this vlog now. It's 8:14. I'm gonna basically chill for the rest of the night on my computer, do a little more history research and stuff, and then go to sleep early because tomorrow I have to wake up at 6:30. So I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow bright and early for Vlogmas Day 7. And, or I don't even know. I don't know what today is or what Vlogmas. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, I love you guys. Good night.